Hello students, today we will go with the next chapter and the topic we discuss is how to select the cells in your Excel sheet. The number one way to select the cells of the Excel sheet is point and click cell selections. To extend the cell selection to columns to the right, you just drag your mouse to the right. Firstly, you just point your cell to select the right side components. You drag your mouse at the right. To extend to rows to the bottom, drag your mouse down. This is what I am doing with our mouse. To extend the selection down and the right at the same time, drag your mouse diagonally toward the cell in the lower right corner of the block you are highlighting. Look, it is the way. Yes, it is a way to select rows and column at the same time. Look. Now, next is the shifty cell selections. It is to speed up the old cell selection procedure. You can use the shift plus click button. This one. I have just pressed shift and click button from my keyboard. In the same way, with the mouse, you can drag it to the right side, to the bottom side, whatever. So, they were the two ways to select your cells. The other way is when we select the non-adjacent cells. They were the adjacent because they are aligned together. What is the way to select the non-adjacent cell selections? To select a non-adjacent cell made up of more than one non-touching blocks of cells, drag through the first cell range and release the mouse button. Then hold down the Control key while you click the first cell of the second range. You have the Control key and you are dragging it here. You just select these all columns. So these columns are selected which are highlighted with the dark shade. What I have done, firstly I select with the mouse, then I drag it downwards, then I press the Control key and press click on each of the cells. It is the way to select the non-adjacent cells. Now let's see how to select the big cells in the big quantity. To select every single cell in a particular column, click its column letter on the frame at the top of the worksheet document. Yes, if you want to select the I column, you just click on the I. It will select your all the columns of I. If you want to select the right side columns of I, then press shift and the right arrow. If you want to select the left side, then you just have shift and left arrow. They are the ways to have the big selection of the cells. Now, let's have the option how to select the cells in the table of data. We are having a table here. You just click the first cell of the table. Hold down the shift key with double click You're selecting its column. Sorry, it was not the way. You hold down the shift key and the bottom arrow. Now I'm selecting the right arrow from my keyboard. It is how I select the full data of a table present in the worksheet. The next topic is the keyboard cell selection keys. You're having a shift plus click. It is the one keyboard key to moving your cells up and down and right and left. You're having 4 arrows, that is up, down, right and left. They are for moving your cursor to the left of the cell, to the right, to the up and to the down. Now there is auto select keyboard style. You position your cell cursor in the first cell. Suppose we are positioning the cell cursor in B7. You just press F8 and hold the shift key. Shift and F8. And you just press Control right arrow and you just enter. So it will select your worksheet. They are the ways how to select with your keyboard and with your mouse. Thank you.